go feel so. Why can't they run? They not be man again. More they go.
Now by force to do.
You can't finish what you don't start.
Help me the CEO. Now by force to do. I don't want to do again now. Leave me now they go.
You don't tell okay, me I never tell okay, now more they go.
My brother, help me the CEO. She said make we do. I said I don't want to do again. Now by force.
Come on, do. Hey! Come on, do. Now I know if you do. Do we go, you do like Scooby do. You are a disgrace to manhood. Women when they come up from one rib, now they fear.
My brother, go and do the do.
I can do the do. And they handle them one time.
Thank you very much.
Let me do the do. You are a good man.
Now you don't get luck. They go, now you don't get luck.
God bless you.
You are a good man.
May God give you the strength to handle her.
I will finish her.
Finish her.
I will handle her.
Handle
I will smack her.
Thank you.
Babe, I will handle her.
You sure?
Me? You never hear my scores. If they tell you my scores, they go fear me. And they handle my second name a handler.
More they go inside.
Okay. I will handle you. I go rough handle you. I go rough handle you.
Oh, that was not one.
I go rough handle you.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Give me some.
This evening you will die.
Hey! What did they do with handcuff?
This is how I want. I don't want to stress you.
You joking?
Okay, no problem, no problem.
I want it. I'll be the one to do everything.
You really want to do everything?
Yeah, baby. Just calm down.
Man!
You really want to do everything?
Yeah, baby, you're gonna love it.
Your hair creeping heavy like a dog!
You don't handcuff me, oh.
Yeah, baby.
You don't handcuff me, Yeah.
I love it when men cry.
I know they do again.
You're turning me on right now.
God have mercy upon us.